Okay, in the last video, we have learned how to draw 3 root 2 on the number line. This one, root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. But suppose if I will tell you how to draw minus 3 root 2, same process, but how to draw 2 root 3. 2 root 3 on the number line. So, how you will draw? 2 root 3 will be equal to what? Root 3 plus root 3. So, you have to draw root 3 first. And the same distance you have to cut 2 times, root 3 plus root 3. Okay, as we have drawn 3 root 2, in the same manner you can draw 2 root 3. So for that you have to draw first root 3 and then again with the same arc you will cut again that distance as a root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 will be equal to 2 root 3. Okay. Today we are going to draw 2 root 2 on the number line. Means we are going to plot the point which is 2 plus root 2. Let's see how. So for this we will draw a number line as we are drawing in all the irrational numbers. We have drawn number line. After that, if I will ask you how to plot only 2 on the number line, only 2. Suppose this root 2 is not here, only 2. Then you can plot it here. This is 1, this is 2. So this will be only 2. But here is plus under root 2. So after 2 we are going to draw under root 2 on this point. Okay, and that again together we will take 2 plus under root 2. Let's see. First of all we will take here 0 to 2. This distance we have already taken. Now under root 2 we have to draw. So we will draw under root 3 on this point at 3. So you know how to draw under root 2. Same process. We will draw first perpendicular line. Why we are drawing perpendicular line at point at this point only at 3? Do you know? We are drawing perpendicular at this point 3 because this is perpendicular. This perpendicular is done. So root 2, for root 2 you know we take 1 unit this side, 1 unit this side, and this hypotenuse becomes under root 2. So that is why this 2 to 3 from here to here, this distance is 1 unit. So we have drawn at 3 perpendicular. Understood? Now here we are going to draw an arc which is equal to 1 unit distance, means which is equal to 2 to 3, means this is 1 unit. Okay, so draw an arc here. This point to this point we have to join. Why we are not joining with O? Because here this distance is 1 unit from 2 to 3. Understood? This is 1, this is 2, this 0 to O is for this number. Okay, 0 to 2 means is this distance is for this number. Now root under 2 is from here to here. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So join it. This will be equal to what? Under root 2. Now under root 2 we have to plot on the number line also. So for this we need to measure this distance and draw an arc with this radius on this number line. This arc is intersecting on the number line at this point. Okay, this point. This is root 2 from here to here. From here to here this is root 2, but from 0 to this point is 2 plus root 2, means this distance O2. Suppose this point is A, this point is B, this where this arc, this under root 2 is there, this point is P. So O to P, this distance to this distance is 2 plus under root 2. So OP is equal to 2 plus under root 2. Got it? With the whole number and irrational number, combination of these two we have drawn on the number line. Now suppose next you have to draw 3 minus under root 2. Then for this what you will do? 3 minus. So you know I have taught you how to draw under root 2 and minus under root 2 on the number line. For minus under root 2 we take the negative side. Let's see, you will understand better. Okay, for this we will draw first of all a number line. Here is 3 minus under root 2. So this 3 is a whole number. This is an irrational number. Okay, so this 3 you can plot easily. 1, 2, no, sorry, from 0. 1, 2, 3. This 3 is here only. Now we have to draw under root 2 after this 3. Okay, taking this unit as this distance as a 1 unit. Again we will draw perpendicular 1 unit, we will cut an arc, and then we will draw under root 2. But this time you can see here is minus under root 2. So we will draw under root 2, and after that same distance we will cut an arc this side, because this side is, because here is 3 minus under root 2. So we have to take it on the opposite side. How? Let's understand. From up to 3, 1, 2, 3. This distance we have to leave because 3 is up to here. Now we have to draw under root 2 at this point at 4. So for this we will draw 90 degree again. Same process. You know how to draw under root 2. Many times we have drawn. So this is the perpendicular drawn. Now we have to take 1 unit distance from here to here. This is 1 unit. 3 to 4. Okay. This distance we have to cut an arc here. Now this point, suppose this is A. This is, suppose this is B. This point is A. Okay. We have to join it. This 3 to B. This distance is under root 2. So let's plot it on the number line. Okay. This point is under root 2. But this time this distance means 3 to this point. Just name this point. Suppose this is P. Okay, this is O, or you can take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point is P and this point is O. O to P, this distance is of length under root 2. So OP is equal to under root 2. But this time this we have to draw minus under root 2, means 3 minus under root 2. So this distance you are going to cut. This O to P is under root 2 point. So from O to P, after measuring this distance, you will cut an arc this side, because 3 it is minus under root 2. So after 3 we have to subtract under root 2 length. Okay, so this point where this arc is cut, you can name this point as Q or P dash, anything. I am writing it as Q, this point. Okay, so here OQ is equal to 3 minus under root 2. Why? Because O to O dash is 3. Okay, O dash to P is under root 2, and O dash to P, taking this length only, we have cut minus under root 2 this side. O dash to Q. Okay, so O dash minus O dash Q will be equal to OQ, and OQ length is equal to 3 minus under root 2. 3 minus under root 2. Okay, if it would have been here 3 plus under root 2, then 3 and under root 2, this distance we would have been taken like this, O dash to P. Okay, 3 plus under root 2 is O to P full, but here is 3 minus under root 2. So 3 and minus under root 2 is distance this. Why this? Because we have cut an arc here with the same length. We have cut an arc here, that is under root 2. Here to here the length is under root 2. Got it? So OP, O dash P, we have taken this point as O dash, okay, and this is O. So O dash P is equal to under root 2, O dash Q is equal to under root 2, because this one and this one is same distance, and O to O dash is 3. So suppose you have to find out this. So O to Q will be equal to what? O dash minus O Q dash. That will be equal to OQ. Understood? No? OQ is equal to what? O to O dash minus O dash Q. And O to O dash we know that is 3, and O dash Q is equal to under root 2. So 3 minus under root 2. Okay, in this it was 2 plus under root 2. So we have taken 2 and then under root 2 we have added. But here it was minus under root 2. So first under root 2 you have to draw in the same process, and then that same distance you have to cut this side. As I have told you, opposite side always, negative side. Got it? So I hope you have understood how to draw irrational numbers on the number line root 2, root 3, root 5. Some more questions are given in your exercise. You have to go through it. It is easy. You can draw just like this, like question number 5. 2 root 3 you have to draw. 2 root 3 means root 3 plus root 3 2 times. Okay. 2 root 2, same process. Root 2 you have to draw 2 times. This 3 plus under root 2 means 1, 2, 3. 3 distance first you will leave, and then under root 2 you have to draw, and then full distance will be equal to 3 plus under root 2. And this one is of minus 1, which we have drawn right now. And root 5. After drawing root 5, you have to cut 2 times that arc. Okay, that would be equal to 2 root 5. Any doubt you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, but you have to try question number 5 now by yourself after watching these 3 videos, okay, of this plotting of irrational number on the number line. Okay.